Hey Natalie, I saw your photos on Instagram. Was that Italy?
Yes, I just got back from Rome. It was amazing.
That's awesome. I've always wanted to go. What did you like the most?
Definitely the Colosseum and the Vatican museums. The history there is unbelievable. And of course, the food, real Italian pasta and gelato.
You're making me hungry now. I went to Thailand last year. Very different, but also incredible.
Oh, really? I'd love to go there someday. What did you do?
I visited Bangkok, then went to the islands Phuket and Koh Phi Phi. Beautiful beaches and the people were super friendly.
Sounds like a dream. Did you try the street food?
Yes, it was so cheap and tasty. I tried pad thai, mango sticky rice, and some dishes I couldn't even pronounce.
That's the fun of traveling, trying new things. Did you travel alone?
No, I went with 2 friends from college. It was our graduation trip. What about you? Did you go to Italy solo?
No, I went with my cousin. We stayed in a small hotel near the Trevi Fountain. Every morning we had cappuccino and fresh croissants.
That sounds perfect. Did you make a wish at the fountain?
Of course. It's tradition, right? Throw a coin and wish to return.
I love that. Any funny or crazy moments during your trip?
Well, we got a bit lost trying to find our hotel on the first night, and no one around spoke English very well. But we used Google Maps and hand signs. It worked.
I had a similar experience in Thailand. I took the wrong boat and ended up on the wrong island.
Oh no. What did you do?
I just laughed and enjoyed it. Sometimes the best memories come from the unexpected.
That's so true. Traveling teaches you to be patient and open-minded.
Exactly. Where do you want to go next?
I'm thinking about Japan. I want to see the cherry blossoms and visit Kyoto.
Japan is on my list too. Maybe we can plan a trip together someday.
That would be fun. We could make a list of places to visit and share the adventure.
Deal. Let's keep exploring the world one country at a time.